Landing pages that convert bring you profits for your affiliate marketing business, online business, whatever type of business where you're trying to make money. Stay tuned. What's up? Antonio Carter here. Emancipation to Occupation.com. Go check out the website. Here with awesome tips and tricks to make you money online. Affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, social media marketing, you name it. I've probably done it and made money with it. Now I'm just here to share with you the tips in order to put money in your pocket. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page that converts in 3 simple steps. I'm out here in my car, the wind is blowing, nice beautiful day. Why am I doing this? It's because I can. So this is something that you'll be able to do as well. You can make videos anywhere. You can make money anywhere. That's really what I'm trying to prove here. All right. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that like button below the video. Give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that you can continue to get updated with phenomenal tips that I got to give over to you. I just don't give this to anybody and everybody, all right? It's just because you're watching this video that you're getting the hookup right now, all right? So drop some comments below as well if you got some questions or if you got something else that you want to add. Now, let's go ahead and jump into this. Tip number 1 to creating a landing page that generates you fantastic results. Create an attention-grabbing headline. Don't just say something corny and cheesy, hey, get this free PDF that will help you make $10 online. I don't want to download that. I'm not giving you my email in exchange for something like that. So you need to create something like the 7 hottest tips that will help your email list explode and put money in your pocket. Something like that, You want to use some type of formula like, if you do this, you will get blank in X amount of days, right? That's an attention-grabbing headline. And that also promises something that makes the individual want to give you their email in exchange for what you have to give them. It entices them. That's actually point number 1 and point number 2 at the same time. Point number 1 is create an attention-grabbing headline. Point number 2 is state what they are getting in exchange for their email. And these two really just kind of work together. And it's important because a lot of individuals just think they can throw anything and everything out there. If your page is not converting, number 1, check your traffic. But 2, if you're getting good traffic, your landing page and your offer is probably not good. We're not even talking about colors and stuff right now. We're just simply talking about the message. And if your page, upon somebody dropping on your page, your landing page, if your page is not converting at a minimum of 20%, which you should be able to blow that out the water. Even bad pages should be able to convert at least 20%. But if you're not converting at that, you really need to check your message. If your message sounds good, then maybe you can check into the design of your page. That means it completely sucks. But look, this leads me into tip number 3. You shouldn't really worry about the design of your page because your page should be extremely simple. A little something like this. Very simple, straight to the point, doesn't have a whole bunch of stuff on it. Okay, this is how you need to create your pages. I know that ClickFunnels does like a lot of stuff. You see a lot of custom pages for virtual summits and whatnot. Those things work and those things are tested as well. But if you're simply just trying to collect emails, if you just need, well, I will say this. Your main job is to just get an email, get them in your funnel so that you can pitch them for upsells and other offers, and get them in your email list so that you can pitch them via email. You don't need all the extra stuff unless you're really promoting something of your own product, unless you're talking about branding. And that's where ClickFunnels really comes into play as well. Now, I do use ClickFunnels. It helps me out immensely. I also use another program called Profit Builder, in which I build my landing pages. Both of those links are below. ClickFunnels can be somewhat on a steep side, but if you're really trying to build more complex funnels, such as myself, when people opt in, I do upsells. I can take them over to something else. ClickFunnels also allows you to create order forms so that people can order. Sorry, that's my phone going off. But Profit Builder keeps it much more simpler, where you can just create pages, create very simple funnels. You're not going to be able to do as much, but you're not paying the $97 per month price tag. You're only paying a one-time fee of $67 one time, and it's just as powerful. So if you're a beginner and you're just starting, I would recommend Profit Builder. If you enjoy making pages and you're getting some type of traffic and you're a hustler and you know that you're going to be in this for the long haul, I recommend ClickFunnels. But those are my 3 tips when it comes to creating a landing page that converts. Keep it simple. Create an attention grabbing, I can't even say it right, an attention grabbing headline, and then also state what you're going to be giving the person who is opting into your funnel in exchange for their email. You got to be very clear and concise about that. And when people land on your page, they'll be able to tell if you're trying to BS them or not. I mean, come on now. Let's be real. Give them something of value, right? Don't send them a YouTube video in exchange for their email. It's really sad what people are doing out there to devalue what us internet marketers, affiliate marketers, and whatnot are doing. So go ahead, do your thing. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button below, like the video. We'll talk with you soon.